Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to replace a broken toilet tank lever. You can see here in my toilet the flush handle is broken, and you can see it's broken right here in the inside, and you can see the inside piece down there in the water, and the flush is not working. So how do I fix it? It's fairly straightforward. I'll show you how. So what I got here is a new tank lever that I got from the local hardware store. So I'm going to show you how to replace the broken one with this new one. So you can see how it really has to fit in. You know, the handle stays right there on like that, and the black handle has to be on the inside. So first let's take this broken handle out. It is connected, or it has a plastic bolt on the back. It just turns off very easily, and you should be able to remove it out pretty easily. Well, yeah, that's what that is. Okay, and now I'll show you how to fix the new one. Now there are instructions on the back of the package as well. They obviously will help, but watching instructions on a video is much easier. Okay, this is what I took out of the package. So the package had this lever with the handle, and then a plastic lock nut. So just insert this handle inside like this, and then position the lever just like that. Okay, the next step would be to slide over the lock nut over the handle, and then screw the lever right there. I'll show it to you. Just insert the lock nut all the way to these threads there, and then just tighten it up. So I'm tightening the lock nut until this fits snugly. So I'm tightening up the lock nut until the handle is firmly in place, just like that. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. So the last step is to connect the chain of the stopper onto this black handle. That way, when you press the handle, it flushes the toilet by lifting up this stopper. I'll show you how to do that as well. So guys, here's what I've done. I've connected the chain of the stopper to this handle. You know, there is already a clip, so I just connected it to it. You just have to play a little with it to adjust the length of the chain to make sure that the stopper sits firmly down below to prevent any water from leaking out. So that's all I did there, and it's all done now. So you will see the flush handle is connected to the handle inside, which is connected to the stopper down there below. So let's close the lid and test it out. So I close the lid. You'll see this is the new handle. Now let's try it. Yep, it works. That's all was needed. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please post a comment below, and I'll respond as soon as possible. Thank you.